What's up, YouTube? Lewis here. I got this. I showed you guys at the end of my last video. If you didn't see it, go watch it, please. I got my hands on a 2011 Harley Road Glide CVO. It's an Ultra, so it has the tour pack and all that. So the bike runs really good, really smooth. I had one issue with the check valve. I was leaking a little gas. I didn't notice it. So we went for a long ride and ended up leaking some gas. So I got that fixed. I bought a new hose, ended up putting a new O-ring in, got that done. One of the issues I'm having now is the float is basically the float when you drive the bike, it goes with the gauge. You'll see. I'll show you guys an example. So the project for today is to replace that. So stay tuned and I'll do some quick how-to. Hopefully the mic on the GoPro is working good, but I'll show you guys real quick what it's doing. See, so I'll turn it on. Let me see. Oh, I didn't know I had an alarm. But yeah, anyway, so if you turn it on and you look here, see if I can get you guys a better angle. Look here, you see how the gauge is moving? So from the research I've done, it looks like the float in here, there's like a switch on it that's gone bad. So I'm gonna go ahead and replace that. First thing we gotta do is obviously remove my phone, remove my Odin gloves. These are pretty sick gloves. They do that. I want to replace the seat and this backrest. So let me know in the comments below what you guys think as far as comfort. I would like to keep the features, the heated seat features. I don't know if I'll need it, but it's kind of nice to have. Gotta take this out. Seats off. So now I need a 10mm. Gas cap off. On here there's like a little, it's like a big ass washer and it snaps. Not the right tool, but if you take it, that's the ring. So there's two hoses in here. A little pain to see. Make sure you don't drop them in there. Okay. Two hoses that go to the bottom. Black one goes to the black clip, which they're both black, but one comes off good, the other one doesn't. So, I bought directly from Harley. It was about $70, which ain't too bad. Okay, so I'm thinking something here goes bad. We'll see. I'm hoping to fix it, but and it goes in your tank. I'm looking at it. This. It's this side. Okay. Just keep rotating it, it'll come out. This one looks good. So from what I read, it's usually this or the actual gauge. I don't want to mess with it while it's got the gas off. But anyway, I bought it. We're gonna try it. Okay, so that's it. Actually, this is really easy compared to some of the other bikes I've worked with. So make sure you got everything connected again. Super easy. Actually, too easy to me. And then just reverse everything. Let's see before I go. It ain't that. Still doing it. Seems a little better. I'm not sure. So I won't be throwing this away then. If it's not bad at all, it's good to have an extra part. So might just be the actual gauge, but we'll see. So I'm gonna go ahead and wrap this up, put it all back together. Ended up not being the float, so I'll have to do a little more research. I read online that it could be the gauge, but thought it was the float. Maybe there's something else in there I'm missing. So those are CVO gauges, so they're probably gonna be a little tough to get, a little expensive. So anyway, I'll go ahead and keep you guys updated on this. I'm gonna change a couple things. I went ahead and changed the front end on it. Let's see if you can get a good shot. Change the front end. So here, got a new windshield on it. This part was pretty cool, but this is a pain in the butt. Yeah, so there's a couple things that I guess they could have engineered a little better, windshield being one. You got these grommets that go on it and pain in the butt to work with. And then really, overall, that's it. The stereo sounds pretty good. It's got a lot of go, a lot of pep. They put this goofy horn I'm probably gonna get rid of. It's loud, but I don't really care for it. And that's it. I will be putting a removable backrest, so stay tuned for that. I'm debating on going with a 21-inch wheel in the front. You guys in the comments, let me know what you think. I think that's it, man. I'll be putting my touches here and there, and I'll try to keep you guys in the loop. Do me a favor, go ahead and like and subscribe. Stay tuned for more from this Harley. All right, later.